Best settings for iPhone camera. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you need to scroll down until you see camera option. After you see it, you want to go ahead and tap and open it. Now, all the settings of camera will be here. So you want to tap on formats and you need to put it on high efficiency. So to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in high efficiency format, most compatible will always be JPG. So to reduce size, you will put on most compatible. So for now, I'd like to use high efficiency. So going back to camera settings. Now below you can see record video. You want to tap and open it and use the best resolution for it, and you have to make sure that you have turned off the toggle button of show PAL formats, video format control and lock camera, because it's not that important for regular use. So going back to camera settings again. Now also you can also put resolution for slow-mo, and now you can see there is scan QR codes. Turn that on to make sure you will be able to scan QR codes, and then grid, turn it on to make click or take better pictures and videos, and mirror photos also turn it on, and keep normal photos also turn it on when you click SDR pictures. So that is the best settings for iPhone camera. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.